Can I be honest?
Yeah.
At first, I didn't even know I signed up for it. I didn't know what it was. I just went to a meeting, I scanned the QR code, and I was like, okay, this seems fun. And I wanted to do carpentry at first, and then I told everyone how I built a robot, and they put me in electrical because I wanted to work in like controls and stuff like that. When I first started, I was nervous. Like, I didn't think I was going to get it. I'm not very good at math, and there's a lot of math at first, but it's very simple once you get the hang of it. As far as troubleshooting goes, it's always something. But I figure it out at the end, so like when I figure it out and I'm like, okay, that makes sense. I just like seeing it all come together. But it's like, it's fun like getting to work with my hands and like putting stuff together and then just see it come to life. It just makes me feel peaceful, like one day I'll work on something big and like everybody can see it and I'll be proud of myself because like I did that. I just really love that feeling. Being part of the ROC just gave me this peace of mind and something to look forward to. You know, I feel like I really changed my life around after I joined the program. And I think my mom and my family sees it too. And I just feel like I got more ambitious. Like I know that I can do stuff now, even if at first I feel scared.